Well, good morning. Here's what you can expect as you head out the door this morning. Some clear and cold conditions here in the Northwoods, also parts of the UP, and then cloudier skies across central Wisconsin, even some light rain. Here's what we can expect through the weekend. Some light snow for tonight, and then as we head into the work week, a couple of quiet days for our Tuesday and also for our Wednesday. Then it looks like we're going to see a strong storm develop for Wednesday and into Thursday and Friday. That's really going to impact any traveling that people are going to be doing for the big holiday coming up. And Laura, yes, we had a beautiful day today. Lots of sunshine, mainly over north central Wisconsin, and also in the UP. But a few clouds are now starting to roll in just ahead of a warm front. And as another frontal system rolls through later on tonight, we will see some severe weather rolling. Some light snowfall across eastern Wisconsin as a low pressure system continues to spin just over lower Michigan. They saw up to 7 inches of snowfall all the way from Green Bay all the way across the Fox Valley and down to Milwaukee, even as far west as Madison picked up just over 7 inches. We saw right around a dusting to an inch north of Wausau, south of Wausau to about Stevens Point, right around 1. Cold front right now that is placed just to our south across central Illinois and all the way across the Ohio Valley. That's where showers and thunderstorms have been developing all day today. This is the first low pressure system that has moved off to the east, and this is the next one that we're going to be seeing start to track right along this frontal region. Now this high pressure system is placed just to our northwest. Now this is a bit of concern. We're going to see drier air placed overhead, which may eat up some of that snowfall that we are expecting for tomorrow. This is the track the snow system that we're seeing. We're right in between both of those storms, and this very strong storm is bringing just a huge amount of snowfall into the East Coast, up to 46 inches reported in parts of Massachusetts and also in New Hampshire, Vermont, and parts of New Jersey as well. And they're going to continue to see snowfall through tonight and also for tomorrow. Now we are starting to see some of that snowfall now pushing in, wrapping around the backside of that low pressure system in across lower Michigan, and we're going to see that for tonight as well. High pressure in place has kept the skies clear. They were ahead of a cold front right now, but as that cold front pushes through, we'll see a little bit of a cool down, but really not all that much. And it's this system that brought us some rainfall throughout yesterday and also for today. That's going to exit out of the area. We're seeing a bit of a clearing now across the western plains. High pressure will be moving in as we head into Monday, Tuesday, so we could be seeing some sunshine. Another system rolls in for later on this week. Well, for this reason, we do have winter storm warnings over much of Wisconsin, also pretty much the entire state of Minnesota, with the exception of blizzard warnings. And we have a blizzard warning in the state of Wisconsin in Douglas County. They're going to see very gusty winds around 20 to 30 miles per hour coming across Lake Superior. They'll see quite a significant amount of snowfall there. Otherwise, around the state, we're going to continue to see snowfall for tonight and then mixing with freezing rain possibly later tonight. And then for tomorrow, we'll see that snow mix with freezing rain and also sleet for Christmas Eve and into early Christmas morning. And then a third wave will come in for Friday night. So through Saturday, these are the snowfall potentials that we are predicting: 2 to 3 inches over southeastern Wisconsin. However, it's going to be a wintry mix of freezing rain and also sleet. Around 3 to 6 inches over southeastern Marathon County, also parts of Wood and Portage County. 6 to 10 inches, a good swath through the northern part of the Newswatch 12 viewing region, and then 10 plus inches over Ashland and Vilas County, and then a good 12 to 20 inches near the...
Now, your Weather Watch 12 forecast, presented in partnership with Aspirus Level 2 Trauma Center.
Well, it's going to be a cool start to our Friday with temperatures only between 14 and 21 to start the day out. Winds right now are out to the west at 7 to 12 miles per hour, making things feel much colder than they really are. Cloudy skies with a few scattered flurries here, and we already saw some scattered flurries overnight. So the roadways are going to be a little slick and slippery as you head off to school or work this morning, so do take your time as you head out the door. Right now in Rhinelander, we're seeing partly cloudy skies, 17 degrees the temperature right now, and with a wind at 8 miles per hour, we are seeing wind chills right now at 5 degrees, and that's fairly common right now. 17 right now in Tomahawk, also Antigo, Crandon, and also Land O'Lakes, and in Arbor-Vita. 21 in Stevens Point, but it feels much cooler when you do factor in those winds. Wind chills right now in the single digits. 5 it feels like in Land O'Lakes, 6 in Minocqua, 8 in Tomahawk, a big goose egg in Ironwoods, 12 it feels like in Stevens Point. We do have predominantly winds right now out to the west, so you can tell right where we are getting all that cold air from. Right now, the temperature in Aberdeen is 7, and also in Bismarck 5, North Platte a cold 8 degrees in Rapid City. So today is going to be a much cooler day than it was yesterday. We are still seeing a few scattered flurries across much of northern Wisconsin at the moment as a trough of low pressure continues to churn in a few waves of energy, and that's pretty much going to be the story for today and also for tonight. High pressure parked way to our southwest, and that's keeping the winds still predominantly out of the west and out of the northwest as well. We'll continue to see flurries pretty much through the rest of the afternoon and into the evening hours, and also still some pretty heavy lake effect in northwestern Wisconsin and also into the western parts of the Upper Peninsula and into the Keweenaw as well. That'll continue through the rest of the day and into our Friday night, and also for our Saturday as well. I think Saturday pretty much will be mostly cloudy for us here in the Northwoods, so a quiet day and also a little bit of a warmer day for the first day of our weekend, and we'll see another chance of snowfall return then on Sunday. We do have a lake effect snow warning for Ontonagon County and also parts of the Keweenaw. With those westerly winds, we will see around 6 inches expected in the northwestern parts of the Ontonagon County and into the Keweenaw Peninsula. Otherwise, around 1 to 3 inches in Gogebic County, also the northern parts of Iron County, and any minor, if any, accumulation expected for most of us here in northern Wisconsin for today and through tomorrow morning. For today, though, mostly cloudy skies with a few lake effect flurries and also some light snow. Westerly winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Well, they'll make those temperatures in the lower 20s feel like they're in the teens for today, and then that's where there will be for this evening, around 11 to 18. The overnight low, partly cloudy and colder with a few chances for some scattered flurries through the overnight tonight. Here's your Aspires Trauma Center 5-day forecast. Quiet and warmer for tomorrow, up to 28 degrees. Then another chance for snowfall develops Sunday evening and into early Monday morning. 26 the high on Sunday, 24 on Monday. A quiet day on Tuesday. Then it looks like we're going to see quite the vigorous low pressure system develop across the southern parts of the United States and work its way into the Midwest for our Wednesday. Right now, it looks like we could see our first chance for some significant snowfall, 4 or 5 inches. At least that's what the models are calling for. But mind you, that is about a week out, so don't get too worried about it just yet.
Is that my warning to be calm and not?
Yes, now you're worked up over all the snowfall.
I don't get worked up. I like snow. I just don't like the cold.
Okay. Well, the cold will follow that.
We're going to have to deal with that because we've got those consistent 20s. So.
That's right.